Okay, today is one of those magical days in the glider. I took off a half an hour ago. I'm already 20 miles out of Bend. Sorry for the beeping, I got a lot going on. I can't afford to turn that down yet. Anyway, there's Bend. I took off from there, released at 2,000 feet. I'm at 12,000 feet, so I released it a mile below where I am now. So I climbed almost a mile, and I've traveled 20 miles, 19 miles, and I'm over the Polinas, and I have, Newberry Crater, East Lake, Pine Lake, and I have just an absolute cloud street. That's my direction that I'm headed, and so everything is just absolutely ideal. I plan to go a long way today. We'll see. I'll get back to you later. Could have turned that off. Alright, bye for now.